Alright, so this is my first logo design for my portfolio class, and so I made this logo to appear kind of bubbly, and I made the letters transparent within each other, so it can seem more of like a bubble. Since it's like really bulky and everything, and purple and transparent. It's a simple design like my other designs as well. And my second logo is black and white only. The only thing I did was copy this letter that I sketched beforehand, and I copied it and made it a little more transparent so it can seem like a shadow reflecting on the other side of the letter, and just I added a circle like so it can seem like a sticker, I guess, just to make it seem more like a logo. I guess this is one of the logos that I liked. And my third one, well, it's more floral. This is supposed to be an L, because my name starts with an L. I did have flowers on, like 3 flowers on some corners of the letter. And I guess like the letter design itself, I got the inspiration from it. Like, I guess I was thinking of a music note. And so I was also messing with the strokes on the stroke options as well. And yeah, I guess this is I would say that this is one of the cute designs I've made. I haven't really made a logo like ever, so like these were like my very first times making a logo for myself. And yeah, that's it. These are my logos for my portfolio class, and I would like to know what you all would have to say about them.